Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Key ratio. For 1 cup of gravy you will need 1 cup of broth, 2 tablespoons fat and 2 tablespoons flour. Over medium-high heat, heat your fat, butter, drippings from meat, etc. When hot, add an equal amount of flour slowly while stirring or whisking continuously. Cook until browning. Some 7 November 2018.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Instructions. In a large saucepan over medium-high heat, bring chicken broth to a boil. Stir in garlic powder and onion powder and continue to stir 1 to 2 minutes longer. In a small bowl, whisk together water and cornstarch until dissolved. Stir into boiling broth till thickened. Add salt and pepper to taste. The 23rd of March 2020.
Take our lead.
Ingredients: 1 tablespoon shallot, minced. 1/2 cup wine, see below. 1/2 cup chicken stock, or beef or vegetable stock or water, warmed. Optional. 2 tablespoons butter, softened. Salt, to taste. Black pepper, to taste. Optional. A few drops freshly squeezed lemon juice or vinegar. Garnish. Fresh parsley leaves, minced. The 20th of May 2019.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Thickening with a beurre mani. To make a beurre mani, combine equal parts butter and flour and use the back of a fork to work them into a smooth paste. Then gradually whisk the paste, about 1 teaspoon at a time, into the already deglazed gravy base simmering on the stove. Continue whisking until the gravy is thick.
Take our lead.
1 tablespoon. Flour mixed with 1 tablespoon of butter or other fat should yield enough roux to thicken 3/4 to 1 cup of warm liquid. To avoid lumps forming, slowing whisk liquid into the roux and simmer until mixture thickens.
Let's help you make your mark.
Instructions. In small saucepan, melt butter. Once butter is melted, add the flour and whisk. It will look like the consistency of wet sand. Slowly add the milk, and whisk to incorporate. Whisk until smooth. Gravy will thicken. Add in the additional milk if you want a thinner gravy. Add salt and pepper to taste. The 22nd of January 2015.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.